high unemployment rate of Goa, almost being the double of the national rate of unemployment, brought out by the Government of India's own Department of Statistics and Program Implementation, the Periodic Labour Force Survey of India, has revealed and has exposed the Goa government fully that it neither has the intention nor does it have the vision to create employment for Goan youth. Now see, we have been pointing this out repeatedly, that the thriving pharmaceutical sector in Goa, where employment opportunities abound, are not giving jobs for local youth. Not only that, they are going out of the state and advertising and recruiting youth from outside the state itself. This had brought about such a despair and agony for the Goan population, and also brought about a reaction from the Goa's Chief Minister saying he will bring in legislation that will ensure that local youth get employment or get preference for employment in local industry. However, in the assembly session that has just elapsed, neither the government showed any intention of bringing a bill. Not only that, the Minister for Labour, Mr. Montserrat, has gone further and said that the laws do not permit the local youth to be given any protection for employment in local industry. Now, let's look about the vision. Goa's first Chief Minister had a vision. He wanted to create employment for Goan youth and therefore gave more than 50 lakh square meters to Zuari Agrochemicals to create employment for Goan youth. What has this government done? This government has allowed subdivision of this land. They have converted this land from industrial use to settlement and allowed these lands to be sold to create second homes for the rich. These lands are being sold for as much as 1,19,000 rupees a square meter. A land that was acquired for given to them at 25 paise a square meter. Now these second homes, are they creating any job opportunities for locals, for the youth? No, nothing is created. What does the government do? They are not only having any vision, but they are, when the job recruitment for within the government is also coming out, we have cash for job schemes. So by and large, one can safely come to the conclusion that the Goa government has abandoned Goa's youth, the highly qualified Goan youth, because we in Goa are among the most highest education levels in the country. But there are no employment opportunities. People are leaving Goa. There is an exodus of the Goan youth from Goa to the other metropolitan cities and outside the country. And we have this high unemployment rate of Goa is now a serious social issue. And it is going to come to become a major law and order issue in the state. And the government is doing nothing about it. And there is complete despair, and there is a feeling that the Goan youth have been let down by the state government.